Today on LGS.
It's been a long time since I started changing oil on the boat, and it's always been a struggle.
The captain will give us a tip for completing oil changes on a boat. Then we're getting this dinghy ready.
So this is your job.
Yes, Jeremiah does the boat. I'm supposed to take care of the dinghy. We're completing last-minute tasks before we sail for the islands. That's terrible. Want to come along for the ride? Let's do it.
I got a drink for you. Well, you ready to get some work done today?
I am. I was just thinking about that. I'm gonna do the dinghy, and then we're gonna lay the new trampoline tracks down. They've ripped. 2 days ago, we went up to the bow, looking around, just chilling, hanging out, and we look, and the track that goes into the boat to hold the trampoline together ripped. Like a matter of time before I fall through it anchoring. So we called Janice, this woman that does our canvas. She's an amazing older lady. You know, can you get us in? Can you do it? And she knocked it out in a day. Here's the quick fix. You know, we told her just get us through until we can figure out something else. She did a really good job. It'll probably last like a year.
Oh
honestly,
yeah, definitely.
Right? So we're gonna run that back in, get the trampolines back together.
Pretty sure I'm gonna do maybe some oil changes, a little bit of maybe some impellers, and then you'll be out here in the sun doing the dinghy.
And then weather looks pretty good. We do have a wind vane issue that we're trying to figure out. Jeremiah doesn't trust me to put him up the mast. I'm curious why you don't trust me to put you up the mast.
It's not that I don't trust you, it's because with kids, like first off, our main sheet is pretty skinny.
By the way, how is our kid? Can you see her? Never mind, I see her. Go ahead.
Oh yeah,
She's like, I see you.
Our main sheet's very thin, so when you're putting someone up the mast, you have to be able to like keep tension on it and pull with the winch, you know. And it can be a little tiring, and that with the kids, I mean, I know that I'll be halfway up, and all of a sudden, a catastrophe is going to take place, and then it's just too difficult.
I'll have to make a choice. It's like if I had to choose who would go over the cliff, it'd probably be you over the kids.
Right. Yeah, so I'll bring a buddy out. We'll do it together. It's been a long time since I started changing oil on the boat, and it's always been a struggle as far as like finding a good pump to get the oil out of the engine or whatever. Something is always a struggle. But recently I was like, hey man, to a buddy of mine who owns another Antares Ohana, his name is Dave, I was like, hey, have you ever found like a good way to freaking get the oil out of the damn engine, you know? And he's like, yeah, I found this thing, or he had it on the boat when he bought it or something, but it's fantastic. It's this little all together oil pump tank combo. You just hook it up, you hook it to the starting battery, and it pulls all the oil out, and it's quick. So it's amazing that finally, after this long, I found something that makes this job a little easier. Changing the oil on the boat's not the easiest thing. It's not easy as like a car. You can't just pop the plug in the bottom. You know, you got to suck all the oil out, but it kind of can be kind of a pain in the ass, but this makes it a lot easier.
Not only did the boat need oil changes, we also need to get our dinghy cleaned up. She's been neglecting. Technically, this was my responsibility.
So I'll order dinner and you wash the dinghy?
Okay.
I'm just joking.
So this is your job.
Yes.
You took on the dinghy cleaning.
Yeah, well, I pretty much do, and you know, I'm not doing a good job, so
It's in pretty rough shape.
It is. Jeremiah does the boat. I'm supposed to take care of the dinghy. It's really bad, like, watch. That's terrible. So first I'm gonna do the boat wash. Rust and stain remover. Not for the vinyl, but for the, what is that, like aluminum, right?
Yeah, that's just protectant for afterwards. Yeah.
It says protective cleaner.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is mold and mildew, which is kind of, I think all that stuff, right?
Yeah, a little bit of mildew. We really should have some other stuff, but we don't.
I know. I thought I did. I think you threw it out on me.
Yeah, well, it got old.
This is going to be a big job. First step, read how to use this stuff. Next, get someone else to do it. Just kidding. Reese is always happy to lend a hand.
I got a drink for you.
Boy, this is gonna be tricky.
Come get it, baby. No, I'll bring it to you.
I was up for the challenge.
Swing that ass around to me. How's it going?
Good.
It looks wet.
Like a film of dirt came off. But
Yeah.
this, you know, I don't know.
Well, yeah. You know, the thing's getting a little old.
But I'm gonna work on it.
All right, well, you get back at it, my love. How's it going?
It's coming off.
Yeah, I can tell. It looks good.
I mean, it's gonna need several times, but it's coming off. Like
That stuff seems like it works pretty well.
It's like a coat of dirt. Yeah, I tried 3 of them. This was the best one, the one that we got today.
Yeah, the Star Bright.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's gonna take some elbow grease, right?
We've had this dinghy for, well, came with Calypso.
Well, it was brand new when we bought Calypso.
Yeah, it was. It's, you know, been a great dinghy for us. We've loved it. Carries us all over the place. Do you see it?
Yeah, that's
great. It's getting so
great.
much better.
Oh, I know. It's so nice.
It was terrible. I just keep going back and forth, you know, and man.
You're doing a good job.
Yay. Maybe we can get out and get in the dinghy and not have white chalk all over our butts. That'd be nice. A couple pieces to our trampoline had dry rotted. We came up here the other night to just kind of chill, and we noticed that they were ripping. So we're like, oh my gosh, I'm up here anchoring all the time, and I'm like, it's fine, I'll just go on the plastic because we're taking off in a few days, and that's stressful to try to figure out how to fix it. But this is what it would have ended up being like while I was up here anchoring. Plus, we can't have the kids up here to chill. And when you're out there, it becomes very small when it's just your boat. So you really want to utilize this space. Anyways, we called Janice. She's just an older lady at this marina. She's done a lot of canvas work for us over the years when we come to and from. Even did some stuff on the Lazy Gecko, our old boat. Called her, we're like, hey, can you fit us in? Thinking she wouldn't be able to. And she's like, you know what? Yeah, let's try it. So we're up here, we're gonna put them on, fit them back in, and I think it'll last a good while.
This was an unexpected problem. We actually replaced these nets about 3 years ago, and they're already trash. We'll use this temporary repair for now, but we plan to order some quality trampolines in the near future.
If there was an opening, I'd definitely have to worry about that, because I'm in and out right here, and this is where it was all ripped. So I love it. Now I feel safe, and it will definitely hold us through the season. Do you smell that?
It smells amazing. While I was working up here, I could smell it.
Hi.
What's up, dudes?
I made some yummy chicken fajitas. We have such good kids. They've been in here eating while we've been working. Our food might be a little cold, but hey, it's food.
Good job, guys. Hi, Bryn.
Bryn, say hi.
Excuse me, that's my water. What are you making us?
This is just regular scrambled up some eggs, and then I'm gonna make you an omelet.
What's on the agenda for today?
Some final provisioning, right? And then you're gonna finish the dinghy. Hopefully I can get this oil change done.
Laundry?
Yep, laundry, and you know, just doing a couple things around the boat, get ready. Am I sensing frustration?
Yes.
What's up?
I can't get the spots off the boat.
It'll come off.
I can't get the spots off. It's bothering me.
Well, you'll get it, honey. You're doing a good job. Dinghy looks great.
Tried 4 different times.
And you know, sometimes it takes a little bit of time for that stuff to like kind of die off.
Yeah,
If it's mildew or whatever.
that's where I'm at. And fighting over washing machines and dryers. That's always fun.
Is this your second day or third?
Third.
Nice. It looks great, honey.
There's only so much I can do.
You're doing a great job.
Next time I'll probably try like a barkeeper's friend or some vinegar and baking soda. See how it does.
Yeah.
But it's come off a lot.
Oh yeah, it's much better. Probably won't make our clothes all white now.
No, I checked this morning. It's not oxidizing.
Great.
So that's nice. Because that sucks, right? When
Yeah.
you get in it and you get out and you're like,
You're like chalk all over you?
I'm chalky.
We'll get it. This thing took some serious scrubbing to get it right, but after a few days and the captain's help, we got it.
See, you're working so hard, I thought you might want a drink. What's wrong with it?
The handle.
Oh.
Thank you.
Okay. Turn your hands off.
I can't.
I have a new thing coming tomorrow. Looking good, honey.
Coming up,
Day before we leave, we got a big project going on.
we're headed up the mast to try to repair this wind vane issue.
Oh, he's a sailor?
Well, we're provisioned. You ready, Reese?
And then we're ready to drop the lines and sail away.
I think maybe an elbow could be a little corroded in there, not letting some water pass or something like that.
Of course, we'll run into issues. This is going to be a problematic and trying sail, to say the least. Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.